besties. Today we're going to a pumpkin patch with my best friends. I'm so excited. I already did my hair, so let's do my makeup. It would not be fall activities without going to a pumpkin patch. I actually want to go. I want to take so many photos. I've been thinking about my outfit all week, but it's warmer than I thought it was going to be today. So I think I'm going to do maybe like my denim skirt. I think I'm going to do my knee-high boot, probably a tank top with a cardigan on top so that if I get hot, like when the sun comes out, then I can always take my cardigan off. Me and my besties, I think we're gonna pick up Starbucks first. I live not in the city, but I live in the suburbs. So like in the residential suburbs area. So to go to a pumpkin patch, it's probably about a 40-minute drive because that way you kind of go into more like the country area. But honestly, I've had 3 coffees this morning. So I start full-time work soon. So I'm trying to do all my fall bucket list before I start work because I know once I become a full-time employee, my life is gonna get hectic. Also, I'm loving the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. Some people think it's overhyped, but I just love it. I feel like it's so easy to blend, and I want to do like a berry lip combo. So I usually reach for the Clinique, but it's in my bag downstairs. So for now, I'm just going to use my Givenchy, and I want to pair it with like a berry lip liner. Oh my god, I love this lip liner. Why don't I reach for this one more? Oh my god, I love this lip combo. Okay, let's choose my outfit now. Guys, I love my outfit. Well, first of all, my hair is looking bomb. I think I might put a little geisha oil in it, but I have my vintage Ferragamo suede bag, which I feel like suede bags are so in right now. Denim skirt, white tank top, really light cardigan, like it's not thick, but let me show you my boots. They're from Steve Madden. These boots are so nice. I have the little sock peeking out. They have a little bit of a buckle right here, which I love. I feel like the buckle really like makes it look daytime, like horseback riding. My friend's picking me up and we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch. We made it to the pumpkin patch. It is the perfect day to go. All the trees are orange and green. I'm super excited. I want to bring home an apple pie.
Oh my god.
Hair. You look so tan.
I know, everyone last saw me blonde.
We got Starbucks. I got pumpkin cream cold foam. What'd you get?
Me too. Shaken with pumpkin cream cold foam.
Now, I don't think we're allowed to bring these inside. So for me, I'm going to stuff mine in my purse because I don't want to throw it out. I barely drank it. We got apple crisp and now we're walking deeper into the pumpkin patch. We want to get every single apple. Honestly, we're not really picky. We're doing our photos now, the photos are looking really good, especially on the camera with the Canon G7X. Also, you can eat the apples while you're here. Lucio is literally eating the apples, and that's how you know. That's how you know the apples are good. We test them before we pick them. Oh my god, it's a male chicken. Ever watched Gilmore Girls, then you've definitely been familiar with like how cute the town is. It's very Hallmark. It's like iconic, or always searching, or people are literally flying to go and see the town in real life. Well, in Toronto, we actually have something similar to that. It's called Bloras Village, and it's like obviously it's unmatched to Gilmore Girls, but it's actually really beautiful in the fall. There's so many cafes and bakeries. It's really just a vibe. So me and my friends are actually gonna go there today. It's a Saturday and we had nothing to do, and I'm like, hey, let's go to Bloras Village. I love it. So I'm wearing a cute little outfit and the weather is actually beautiful today. I'm wearing a denim skirt, my brandy top and brandy cardigan. I did put my hair in a slick back because I didn't have time to fully dry my hair after yoga. I'm not gonna wear a lot of makeup because I am in a rush. It's just one of those days. But I'm gonna be driving in my new car. So I bought a new car, which I'm gonna have a full video on customization, maintenance, the process of buying it. But it is a convertible, so we're gonna ride with the top down. It's gonna be like such a vibe, and honestly kind of giving like 2010s because it is a 2012 car, right into like the whole Gilmore Girls vibe. I am desperate for maybe like a snack or a coffee, like an iced coffee. Because I'm not really wearing any makeup, I'm gonna go with a darker lip combo and iconic Clinique Black Honey, which is the most beautiful fall lippy. Okay, let me show you my final outfit. This is what I'm wearing. Super cute. And I'm gonna wear my Adidas Sambas. Let's go. parked. The drive took way longer than it should have, but now we're gonna go to Cobb's Coffee and hopefully a bakery if they're still open. It's kind of late in the day now. Okay, we're done walking around the village. Quite cute. I got something from the bakery. I got this thing called the Bruffin, which is like a cheese croissant bagel pastry thing. What did you get?
I got the bases for my mom and lemon blueberry scone and a second cup coffee. And I got a pumpkin scone.
Yeah. We're going home now. Overall, pretty good day. It was a success. Hi besties. Okay, so I want to bake something. I feel like I'm in like a fall baking mood. I want to make it for my family and I also want to give it to my boyfriend's family because I love them. They're always so nice to me and I want to bake them something. So let's go on Pinterest and see what we can bake. I'm just going to search up fall baking. I don't really love pumpkin bread. Like I'll make it, but I don't love it. I'm kind of craving sugar cookies. Like you know the one at Starbucks? That one is so good. And then I was thinking crumble, like peach crumble, but it's really sweet. I want something like in between. A coffee cake would be so good. Starbucks used to have coffee cake. I don't even know if they have anymore. Or like apple butter bread, apple cider cinnamon bread. Okay, so it's apple cider donut loaf cake. So 1 cup apple cider, half cup sour cream, vanilla extract, butter, large eggs, brown sugar, flour, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, salt. I have everything except for apple cider, but I can get apple cider. I'm also like low-key, I'm kind of traumatized by apple cider because you guys remember that challenge where you take like a teaspoon of apple cider every morning? But like this looks good. This looks good. I feel like, you know, apple cake. I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna make 2 of them. I might have apple cider, so let's go check, but I'm just gonna make 2 times the serving and let's just hope that it's good. I have sour cream, so all I need to get is apple cider, and then I want to get those aluminum foil loaf bread tins because I want to gift these to people, so those are the easiest way. You don't have to worry about getting your like glasses back or anything like that. Literally apple cider, going all this way for apple cider. Cry. I have the bowl. So this is the cutest bowl that I have. It's not fall themed, but that's okay. I have all my ingredients out so that I'll be a little bit more organized, but I want to like set the vibe. So I have a candle that we're gonna light because I'm doing 2 batches, so I feel like this might take a little bit of time. And let's make a latte. I was gonna do an iced coffee, but kind of cold in here, so let's do a pumpkin spice latte because I do have pumpkin pie sauce. I got this at my local coffee syrup store. It is the Taroni's pumpkin pie, which I believe is what Starbucks used to use like back in the day. I also have my audiobook because this is like a self-care moment. So I have an audiobook. I just started a new one. It's called Soul Searching by Lila Sage. It has paranormal vibes in it, so I thought it might be good for Halloween, like October fall vibes. Okay guys, it's the next day and let's look at the cake that I made yesterday. Actually looks just like the photos. So we have the cinnamon sugar coating and the cake, guys, so moist. I didn't know what apple cider was. I thought it was apple cider vinegar. It's not. Apple cider is just fresh apple juice. Like I had it hot last night. It's actually really good. And there's no sugar added like in the apple cider. There is in this. But it's so moist. So I'm gonna cut up a slice and put some butter on it. I really recommend it. And the apple is not too strong. This is what she looks like. I put some butter on it. I do think I could have done without the sugar coating because it is quite sweet. And I don't know if it needed the sugar coating, to be honest. If you've watched my videos before, you will know I love cozy gaming. I love The Sims. I love The Sims 4. I've talked about it before. I know you guys don't. However, on the book talk community, actually, a new cozy game has been literally everywhere. I saw all my favorite booktubers have been playing this game, and it's called My Tiny Bookshop, which is totally giving cozy fall vibes, like going to the library, going to a bookshop with your iced coffee. So that's what we're gonna do. In my little Steam Deck, I have my pumpkin spice iced coffee. We're gonna listen to a fall audiobook, which is like a paranormal vibes. I feel like it's giving Twilight. My Tiny Bookshop is not a free game, but they do have a trial demo mode. So that's what we're gonna play today because I wanna make sure that I like the game before I purchase it. So this way you guys can look at the game yourself and see if you like it. So let's listen to our audiobook. If you've never heard of My Tiny Bookshop before, let me give you guys a brief rundown of what the game is. So this is a casual, cozy style business simulation concept game. Basically, in this game, you are running a very small independent bookshop. The focus isn't on becoming like a massive chain, but rather it's on the charm of managing a single bookshop. So every book that goes into the shop is supposed to feel personal to you. So in this game, you're going to be able to choose which books to stock. So if you want it to be like classics, new releases. The thing is that your choices are going to affect the customer reputation, satisfaction, and profit. You're going to have customers who are going to come into the shop. So these are going to be locals and travelers, and they're going to come in with different preferences, like maybe they need a textbook. You're also going to manage the atmosphere and the vibe of the shop through cozy decor, music, coffee corner, book club. Now this is what I got off the internet, so I don't know if we can access all of this in the demo portion or if this is even completely accurate. So far, I really like it. So we had one day, I didn't get to choose any of the books, but basically I learned that you have this cute little shack, and on the right side, it's all the different genres of the books. And as people go in and buy the books, it tells you how much percent of those books you have. You make money, and if you have books that your customers are looking for, they're going to buy another book. So you always want to make sure you're having books in stock for your customers. I love the landscape and the graphics of this. I like that it's pastels, muted tones. It's very, very cozy, very like Sims 3, which is my baby. We're running a little low on some of these books. We only have 2 of some of them. So in the books and very class field section, we're going to replenish our stock. Also, in the classic field section, you can pick up decor, which is so cute. So you can pick up a cactus, or right now they only have a cactus and a vintage desk bell. Now, we don't have money for the desk bell. That is $120. So we're going to get the $0 prickly cactus. There is the cactus. Look how cute that is. Now, I haven't been able to see inside my store. So now we're able to place the cactus into our little bookshop. I'm really hoping that we can actually see inside the bookshop. So let's go ahead and check. We can see inside, guys. Oh my god. Look how cute this little bookshop is. Guys, we have 1 shelf of books. That's crazy. We need to get a little bit more books in here. Now I'm happy. I feel like that boosted my mood so much more. I want to put this cactus inside my bookshop. We can paint. Okay guys, we are gonna paint. You guys know I love a good pink or like a brown. I'm like gonna record it on my phone so you guys can see painting this little bookshop. Oh my god, we can, no, the roof, I feel like the roof should be, I don't know. The pink is kind of ugly now that I'm looking at it. Let's paint the roof brown. It's not letting me paint the walls yet. Hopefully maybe we'll unlock it. Oh my god, we got some more furniture. This is so damn cute. Do I get the paid version? I'm gonna play a little bit more of this game and then we'll talk back. Let me see if I can get my bookshop to be a little bit more booming. Let's see if we can get the business to be doing good. We are going to crochet fall things. So I crocheted this pumpkin. I love to crochet, guys. It's just such a good hobby because you can crochet and listen to audiobooks at the same time, which you guys know I like to do. I've been crocheting for a couple years now. It literally got me through the pandemic and it got me through nursing school as well. It's just a great task to do, to put your mind at ease, to separate from your thoughts, especially if you have anxiety. Anyways, so I like to listen to audiobooks and I like to crochet fall things specifically for the fall, and I like to give them to people. So I made this pumpkin for myself. So I've already started, but I need to finish them. So let's listen to the audiobook that I'm really liking, and let's finish up some of these pumpkins, make them cute, finalize them, and so we can package them and give them to people. The pumpkin pattern is so easy. If you're a beginner, you can totally do this. I'm gonna leave the link in the down below. I think I got it off Etsy, and it's so easy because you're just crocheting a box. So you're just crocheting line to line to line to line, no magic rings, none of that. Obviously the stem is a little bit harder, but you can make the stem really simple. You don't have to add like the tendrils and whatever. And then you put the string in, sew it and close it. So easy, guys, truly so easy. I think pumpkin like 6 years ago was one of the first things I ever crocheted. But yeah, so I have a beige one and I have a brown one.